Hello, take a look at this video.
The Lenovo X1 launches with a starting price of 349 yuan, which is roughly $49. Yes, a brand new Lenovo digital camera for under 50 bucks, and that price alone already explains why people are talking about it. The Lenovo X1 goes for a compact, retro-inspired design. It's small, lightweight, and clearly designed for casual use, something you can just throw in your bag or pocket. On the back, you get a 2.8-inch curved screen, a strap hole for easy carrying, a small LED fill light, and even a tripod mount. Simple, practical, and kind of adorable. For such a low price, the specs are surprisingly decent. The X1 uses a 12-megapixel Sony CMOS sensor paired with 18 times digital zoom and 20 built-in beauty filters. It's clearly aimed at beginners, students, content creators, or anyone who just wants a fun camera without spending a fortune. And yes, it can record 4K video at 30 frames per second. That's impressive at this price point. It also supports OTG file transfer, so you can easily move photos and videos to your phone. Inside, there's a 950 mAh battery, and it supports TF memory cards up to 128 gigabytes. Let's be clear. This isn't a professional camera, but it's perfect for beginners, kids or students, casual vloggers, or anyone nostalgic for simple point-and-shoot cameras. At around $49, it's affordable, fun, and easy to use. The Lenovo X1 proves that digital cameras don't have to be expensive or complicated. Small, cute, 4K capable, and extremely affordable. It's a throwback camera made for modern users. And at under $50, it might just be one of Lenovo's most surprising products yet.
Share this video with your friends.